This will be my review of the Azdome M550 dash camera. So, I presume this is the main unit. Seems okay actually. A lot of stuff in here. Right, so this is your main power lead, which is exactly the same fitting. I think that's mini USB, which is exactly the same as a next-based camera or a VO4 traditional power lead. So if you've already got a hardwire kit installed, it looks like you could use that. If it fits a next base, this looks like the rear camera. Oh sorry, this is a 3-channel camera. So as you look, this is fully adjustable by the looks of it. To a ball and socket. That doesn't move. Let's just remove this. Yeah, that's just packing. So, a bit of mounting tape and a couple of screws, I presume, for the rear camera. And this is your rear camera. You'll be able to tighten those up quite easily so it doesn't move. And of course, that looks like it plugs into the camera there. So that is what will give you your 3-camera system. Don't know what that is yet, we'll work that out in a minute. What's this? Oh, this is the mount, GPS mount. There you go. Wow, so easy. So you can remove the camera instantaneously. So that would be on your windscreen, so to speak. So your windscreen's there, that'll be attached, and you can just pull the camera off very easily. And those magnets are quite good. I wonder if it's universal fit. No, it just fits that way. Okay, so next job. Let's just finish what we've got here. So they've given me a 32 gig memory card as well. Just some additional information, I always use my own SD card of choice, which is the Samsung Evo Plus. A pry tool, some little cable mounts if you're not fitting it permanently, spare adhesive mount for here, looks like quite substantial, instruction book, in several languages more than likely, yeah, 7 languages, and there's one of those clear templates to protect your glass to make it easier. I don't use it personally, but I can see the advantage of it. And there you have it. Now to install it. Just a little additional information that wasn't in the instruction book. This is the button you press and hold whilst recording to save a clip. Saved clips are put into a separate folder in the SD card and kept safe. Well, the hands will go soft because they're always, you know, moisture in water. Straight through there.
Video protected.
So I'm okay, you answered no yellows.
Yeah, I don't know whether there'll be pipes when it is time.
Green.
Well, it's 11 o'clock, though, yeah, they will. Go on, I'll have a
do you want a little tiny meat pie?
Either a meat pasty or
a meat pasty?
Whatever they've got.
Steak?
A pie or a
When you say meat, do you mean steak?
Yeah, or a mix, whatever. Or cheese, anything. Just surprise me, I'll just have a pasty or a little pie.
Okay.
And a drink as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell you what, fine margins. They're getting a bit of look, aren't they? They're getting a bit of look. And now it's a penalty again. Another easy out, and I don't think Maloney will be as greedy, but the line, the touch judge on the far side's got to get them decisions right in big games. Yeah. It could have stopped play though, Kevin. Actually, they could have checked that on the big screen, couldn't they? Yeah, whether he's in touch or not. Well, they couldn't get the play on, could they? Yeah, well, the tackle was made. Yeah, well,
Video protected.
Where do you draw the line with that though, Mark? It's not fine. You know, for me, I say we've been the video rep all together in all sports, but you know that's just my old school mentality because every play there could be something that could influence.
L plates on and everything. Slightly late. Bit of a late red light run, Mr. Mercedes. So all in all, do I think the camera is worth purchasing? In one word, yes. The camera comes with forward-facing camera, rear camera, and an internal camera if you wish to use it. The internal camera also has invisible to the human eye infrared LEDs at night, ideal for taxis, Uber drivers and anybody similar. Out of the box, it even comes with an SD card. I chose to use my own because I know they're reliable, but worst case scenario, if the SD card that comes with it proves unreliable, they're incredibly cheap to replace. The camera also comes with GPS speed and location recording. It's also a Wi-Fi dash camera, which means you can download the application to your smart device, view videos that have previously recorded and download them and do whatever you wish. It's essentially 360-degree protection camera system on a really cheap budget. As you can see, currently it's retailing at under 130 American dollars, which is the equivalent of just over £98 UK. So if you take a look in the description box, I'll provide a link for anybody who's interested in purchasing. It's well worth it in my opinion. I've had the M550 fitted in my car for approximately a month now for a long-term test of the camera to see if there's any issues. I've had nothing come up at all. Thanks for watching my review. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, by all means have a look, give me a like and a subscribe. Thanks a lot.